Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix audio not available on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, search, reels, and lastly here you're going to find your profile section. So basically, guys, right now, if you want to fix your audio, first of all, go ahead and leave Instagram and then go to your settings on your phone. Once you're here in the settings, go ahead and search for apps or applications. And then once you're here, you're going to find a list that includes all of your installed applications on your device. So right now, scroll down and search for Instagram application in this list. And once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Right here in this page, you're going to find all of the settings related to this application. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is go to permissions. And then once you're here in permissions, make sure you give it all of these permissions, like the camera, contact, location, microphone, notifications, phone, and lastly, photos and videos. And then you can scroll a little bit down, and then here you're going to find mobile data, battery, and Android. You're going to find storage. So go ahead and click on storage, and then here you're going to find how much you used of storage with Instagram. And here in the bottom, you're going to find two options: clear data and also clear cache. Go ahead and clear your cache, and then once you clear your cache, go ahead and open Instagram again, and then the audio should be working fine. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.